are not willing to come out and defend your country, very soon when you are traveling, they will tell you that you are a scammer. As Nigerians, now they are being known as the worldwide scammers in the world. So please, if you are a youth, make sure that you stand against this thing that is going on, because we don't want the nations to start tagging us that Ghanaians are scammers, Ghanaians are kidnappers. Please, that is not what we want. So the youth, I'm telling you guys to come out. We are not here to fight, but we are here to tell them that we don't want any Igbo kingdom in Ghana here. Thank you.
Nobody should try doing Yam Festival in Ghana. No Igbo man should try it. Let's give him the forewarning of even the rest of the Igbo who will stay in Ghana after he is gone.
My Ghanaian people, this is Very Dark Man and his team. They just drilled a borehole in a Dibili in Karaga district in Tamale. I've been searching news outlets, big bloggers in Ghana, if any of them will carry this news. I'm yet to see it. The only news I'm seeing in Ghana about Nigerians is the Igbo people trying to install a king, trying to have Igbo kingdom in Ghana. Very Dark Man is a Nigerian. Him and his team did not say, we are Nigerians, we're not Ghanaians. They were moved from the suffering of the villagers of Dibili. They decided to drill this borehole for them to have the basic things of life. News like this should be celebrated. All you Ghanaians, all big bloggers in Ghana, and all your TV and radio stations, you should be celebrating Very Dark Man for the next 365 days. If this was to be a negative news by a Nigerian, I'm sure all your bloggers, all the TV and radio stations in Ghana will carry the news. But news like this to help humanity, we will not hear it from you people.
Expressions in the Ghana. For the moon, I know who I say, I hate it all over the world. This will be an idea as beat on a bronc and I hate it. My day question on my Korea. My day question on my Korea. Onya Jurajada Jumia, Onya Siana Abea, Awadia joke. As again, I beg a Waraga joke, as you quite what why you make us know. I believe we will not know. Can't give us you. I don't know. If you must buy name, had the Hawk call. A better Quabota Nigeria, Benny Basso, upon your Ndi, but one Nigeria, Benny Bass upon Ndi, or the horrible. Or the horrible. Because if it was a New Year festival, I have Bambo Catago Diao, or when I'm went to Canquia, in a follow among Monday to the chief, and the Tigas and Katie Hans and also na Ghana. But then I said, I'm apology, Maka Iku, na one night working across nuisance. In the God goes, I carry away, if you go see a poor way. Emetan for video, this is not gonna Ghana. It goes on Ghana, in a Kuni, Madia media team.